time. Today I'm going to show how to cut stone veneer using a meter saw. This is the saw with a diamond blade, 7-inch blade. So actually it doesn't fit nicely to the meter saw itself, so I have to raise up the level with a piece of plywood here. I screw up a few stack of plywoods, and then voila, it is a raised platform. It raised about 1.5 inch above the platform, so it can cut deeper into the stone. Without this platform, it cannot penetrate the stone. The blade cannot even reach the stone, so I have to raise the platform using a plywood to make the cut. So now I'm going to show you how this modified Skil meter saw can perform a good cross cut and meter cut of stones. Okay, so I'm just unlock the latch here and then make some final adjustment using the raised platform, which I can easily slide left or right, and then I'm going to make the cut. Voila! Smooth cut. Okay, I'm going to make another cut. This time I'm going to show you how it should be done. So always enter the blade into the middle of the material, not at the end or the beginning, and try not to penetrate the material too fast, or you might break the material into chips and bits like this. So we don't want this to happen. Okay. Simple and quick cut. Now the next cut is the other thing that I like about this saw is we can make a bevel cut. So we can join up two pieces of bricks or stone together to make it snug into corners like this into pieces of 45 degrees angle. So I'm going to adjust and then put up a 45 degrees angle here, and I'm going to make the cut. This is a very clean cut of stones. I never imagined stones can be cut this accurately. Okay, another 45 degrees angle. Do remember to wear your mask because dust is a bit much. Okay, so this is the bevel cut into 45 degrees, so we can add into corner edges like this, and it's going to fit just nice into the angles. I make another cut. So since this meter saw is handy, so we can speed up the production into a lot of cuts. I need a lot of 45 degrees angle cuts. Okay, another cut. cut number 3. Cut number 4. And so on. Now this is a bad chipping that I don't want to happen, but it did happen. Poor thing. Okay, I have 3 more cuts to make. Final cut. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching and enjoy.